Welcome back to my channel. Every PC user needs a backup of personal data. That's why we are going to show you one of the best software on the market to help you back up your data. We'll introduce you to MiniTool ShadowMaker. We're going to talk about the most essential features of this software, so let's get started. As you can see, this software offers a lot of features. Most of them are free, but some are premium. You can download this software for free. I'll provide the link in the description below. Let's download the software. Once the download is complete, install the software. You can see the user interface is really nice, clear, and very user-friendly. I'll give you a brief overview of the user interface, and then we'll move on to the main topic, which is backup. On the left-hand side, there are options and a whole menu: backup, sync, manage, restore, view log, and additional tools. Most features are free, but some require payment. Let's go back to the main feature, which is backup. As you can see, it has a very straightforward menu. There is a source section for what you want to back up and a destination section for where you want to back up. I'll show you how easy it is. Choose your backup file. In my case, I'm just going to choose one file from my documents. Click OK, and then make sure you choose the backup folder, either an external hard drive or a different location. In my case, I'm using an extra partition on this disk, so I'll choose that and click OK. Next, you can go to further options for this backup. You can choose a compression option. I'll leave it as it is, but if you are low on space, you can choose one of the options here. You can also go to the backup scheme, which allows you to decide how you want to back up and how many backup files you want to keep. There is a premium feature called differential backup. You can easily schedule your settings for backup. You can set specific times or intervals, such as every hour. It's very easy to use. You can start the backup immediately or schedule it for later. I'll choose backup now. If you're backing up large data, it may take a while. This is just a test backup to show you how it works. Once the backup is done, you can verify your backup. You can also click on the menu to recover. I'll show you how to restore. You can restore the whole backup or pick individual folders or files. Make sure you choose where you want to restore it. See how quickly it restores onto my drive. On the home menu of the software, you can see your existing drives, used space, available space, your last backup, your next backup, and your available restore images. You can easily restore from here or use this Manage section on the left-hand side. The next feature I'm going to talk about is Sync. Sync is similar to backup. You can set up Sync by choosing the source folder and destination folder. This is the feature I like most. I'll show you how it works. I'm going to choose my Documents folder as the source and my E drive as the destination. I'll click on Sync, and I'll show you what it does. It's a one-way sync from source to destination. With one click, it copies all my documents to the destination E drive. I'll show you how ActiveSync works. I'm going to create a new file, call it test, and do a quick sync. You'll see that the file immediately synchronizes to the drive. Now I'll add another file and do another sync. If I delete anything and sync, or if I change anything, it will reflect on the target disk. You can see in the new screen that I deleted those two files and they disappeared from the destination. You can manage your backups and your syncs. You can also add or remove folders from your backup and sync under a Manage. You can see I just added the download folder and synchronized it. It perfectly synchronized all my folders and files to the destination. You can do the restore as I showed you earlier from this section as well. There are other extra features which you can explore if you need them, some free and some paid. There is also a MiniTool ShadowMaker system booster which is free to download. You can try that out as well. Here is a comparison between the free and the paid versions. You can always download and install the free one, and if you need any premium features, you can purchase them from the website. I'll provide the link for the software in the description below. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.